Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the latest AI tools to level up your content creation. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI Studio with Gemini 1.5 Flash to instantly analyze your videos, generate scripts, titles, timestamps, and even get suggestions to boost your video's reach. Let's jump right in.
First things first, head over to AI Studio. Once you are there, go to the model list and select Gemini 1.5 Flash 002. This model is lightning fast, making it perfect for analyzing your videos in a few seconds. It's designed for creators who want quick, actionable insights. Next, simply upload your video. This could be anything from a tutorial to a vlog or even a product demo. After it's uploaded, use this prompt. Analyze this video, provide the script, and give 5 suitable titles. Gemini will take a few seconds to process the video and then, boom, you'll get a full transcription, a detailed analysis, and 5 awesome video title suggestions. Once Gemini is done, you'll get a full transcription of your video dialogue along with detailed insights. For example, in this video about facial recognition glasses, Gemini provided a breakdown of key moments, viewer reactions, and important highlights. You'll also get 5 title suggestions to maximize your video's SEO potential. Here's what Gemini generated for me. Facial recognition glasses, privacy nightmare or innovation? The creepy power of AI-powered spy glasses. And more like these.
Here's where things get even more useful. You can ask Gemini to create timestamped descriptions for your video. Just use the prompt. Can we have timestamps with video descriptions? Gemini will break down your video into concise timestamps like. This keeps your YouTube description neat and lets viewers easily jump to the sections they care about. On top of that, you can ask for YouTube tags and hashtags, separated, to help boost your video's visibility. For example, tags like facial recognition, AI, privacy, smart glasses will enhance your search ranking. Here are hashtags Gemini generated for our prompt for uploaded video. Facial recognition, AI, artificial intelligence, technology, privacy, surveillance, ethical concerns, and so on. Similarly, you can see YouTube tags. In the follow-up, we will see timestamp being more concise for readers.
Want to take it further? Ask Gemini for suggestions to make your video go viral. It can analyze the flow, suggest stronger hooks, and even recommend improvements to increase engagement. For instance, in my facial recognition glasses video, Gemini suggested starting with a high-impact visual, showing the glasses identifying someone and revealing their personal info right away to shock the viewer. Here are a few other tips Gemini gave me. Stronger hook. Start with a surprising moment to grab attention immediately. Clearer ethical discussion. Dive deeper into the privacy concerns and ethical debate. Better call to action. Encourage viewers to join the conversation in the comments or share their thoughts on privacy. And that's how you can use AI Studio with Gemini 1.5 Flash to optimize your videos, generate titles, descriptions, and even improve content for virality. Whether you are a seasoned creator or just starting out, this tool will save you so much time and boost your reach. Make sure to give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content creation tips. See you next time.